When I cover this thing, I'm gonna pull it down.
Can you see?
Yeah, do I look through it first?
No. Yeah, you can look through it first to find out where you are, and just before you strike the arc, you know.
Oh, okay.
Right there. See, I don't have one of those on my screen.
How do you do it when you're
Huh? I just bring the shield in.
Okay. And do you just touch it and you can see where you're at?
I gotta move my feet out of the way, so.
Do you want these on you?
No. Just keep them. Don't take them off.
I'm just moving them over.
See, they twist around, so you know.
Do you have that 220 for this thing?
For this machine, yeah. See here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can strike it off and see here. Ready?
Yep.
See how you just flick it?
Yeah.
Now you push it down into the plate, it's going to stick.
Okay.
So now watch this. Get up close. I want you to see what's going on. Yeah. See that?
Oh, wow.
I'll show you. All the slide all this. That's what it doesn't have slide. I mean, that's what it doesn't have slide. And MIG welder doesn't have slide. But this, gotta clean it up every time. See that? See
Okay.
the welds they put in there?
Yeah.
See that?
What if you don't clean up what rust?
I clean it up. So. Right now,
What if you didn't clean it up? What's that?
You always want to try. The 6-10 rod will weld it over rust, but you don't want to weld over rust.
I mean the slag, beating the slag
You're
up.
gonna do that.
Why is
You
that?
don't weld over, huh?
Why is that?
Because it's not metal.
Oh.
And it's just metal. See, my glasses, I can't see anymore.
Oh.
See, I'm trying to make a straight beam, but I can't. Now, let me do something with this one right here. This is a 60-10, 60-11 rod. And see, that was a drag rod. See, you drag that in here?
Yeah.
And this one right here. This one right here is a whipping palm. You scratch a rock and you get it going and you go hold like that.
What's it called?
It's a whip and pause.
Whip and pause. Hold and drag.
Pause and let the metal build up and you whip out and do it again.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Let's see if this will light up. This temperature and stuff will crack that bulb by this much here. See, there's a hard rod to get started.
That's pretty good.
That's a better rod than this. This is it.
Does that leave this much slag on it?
Oh yeah. But it's hard to get off and making this stuff right. Where's the little brush out here? Okay.
Yeah, there you
You want to brush it up?
go.
This rod is a mean rod to get started. See? I'm going to do that again. Yeah, something wrong, right? Around the target, see that? That still gets on the still on it. That's still on it. Okay. It's hard with a
Yeah, it could,
see that?
it's round. It's a buildup of
yeah.
and stuff, and then you pull it out.
Yeah. Now let's just do this other rod there for a minute. Let you play it. How hard that flag is today. You look closely, you see the slag, see it? See it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take these rods right here. These are smaller rods there. They don't want to go in my point very well. My rod holder.
Oh.
Everything is this. Right now, it's got to go.
Drag on that.
That's a drag. And now we, so it will get bigger. So don't step on it like I'm running. See it? Okay. want you doing this without glasses.
I can see a piece fine.
I can get yourself. See, well, that's your glasses. These things are lots of on.
What's
How
that?
much you pay those glasses?
Piece?
$30. We get kind of I got some safety glasses.